Hello everyone, this is Jan and you're watching my little daily IndieGame Dev update for last Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2026. I continued laying down collision, just simple polygon planes for the collision that ultimately I'm going to merge into one single object, and here you can see me testing the collision, making sure it all lines up. Because this is in Unreal Engine 5.4 and it is a 3D world, but it's a 2D game. The camera is hanging above this world and that creates a perspective. So if I were to use collision with the tile map, it might not line up as neatly as I'd like, depending where you are on the screen. Like if you're in the top right corner or the top left, it creates a different perspective on things. Now, ultimately, I'm not sure if this is the actual map I'm going for, but because everything is so, making your own game is so time consuming, this is the map I will stick with for quite some time. So I'm just polishing it up, really. Am I polishing a turd? Let me know down in the comments below and I'll get right back to you. Hope you guys are all doing well with your projects. If you have any you'd like me to have a look at, just post them down below. We can all say hello on your channel. In the meantime, have a good day, and I'll catch you in the next one.